Shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty's standing by. Baby Shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. Runs in fast. How with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check. Boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me. Baby Shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky, yup. Baby Shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, 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 drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on Shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby Shark takes little nap, then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, 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 feeling great. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby Shark jumps in the sea, healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound. Thank you, Kitty, thank you, meow. I feel so much better now. Oh no, no, sick no more. Baby Shark swims like before. Hip, hip, hooray, 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 hooray. Bubble, bubble, don't pop, pop. Something scary makes you stop. Kitty says stay close to me. Baby Shark, what can it be? Bubble, bubble and go slow, slow, slow. All history's about to show. Pete and Baby Shark are playing. Bubbles flying, kids are spraying. Pop, 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 goes every side. Laughing loud with happy pride. Be bubble back, yay, yay, yay. Play with bubbles all the day. Suddenly silence in the air. Bubbles stop, nothing's there. Sky turns dark, very slow. Cold wind starts to blow. Baby Shark whispers, I don't like this. Kitty says something is wrong. Subble, bubble, where you go? Something strange is starting to grow. From bubbles, something nice is fly. Big round face in the sky. No hands, no feet, just cawing face. Spinning slowly in the place. Monster says, give me light. Baby Shark hides in fright. Oh no, no, what is that? Kitty and silly bubble salute. Baby Shark, wait, that's it. Kitty laughs, it's just a little break. Bubble monster, go away, go. Help, bubbly, I'll never do. She raises one up to the sky. Bubble magic, let's try. Sparkles everywhere, okay. To send the scary K. Kitty Shark is happy now. No more fear, just fun tonight. Bubble, bubble, okay. Something strange is starting play. Kitty Egg is happy now. Beauty Shark is happy now. Bubble and says wow, wow, wow. So wow, wow, wow.
So much fun. Woohoo!
Kitty walks to school at night. Moon is glowing soft and bright, but the gate goes creak open slow. Kitty whispers, is someone there? Wind dressed when Patsy wet. She steps inside, lights go blink. Chalk writes words before she thinks. Books start flying in the air. No teacher here, just empty chair. Suddenly, boom! Desk moves on its own. Kitty jumps, I'm not alone. From cupboard a clack never stops. He sits down with a spooky grin. Let's start class. Let's begin. Kitty laughs, okay, this is new. Bones go dancing, clack, clack, too. Cafeteria starts to shake. Zombie comes with hungry face. He looks at food, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight. Kitty shouts, hey, slow down. But Zombie spins all around. In science lab, lights turn green. Witch appears like movie scene. She stirs a potion, pop goes smoke. Even chairs start to float. Kitty says, that's kinda cool. Coach just laughs, welcome to school. Empty hallway, cold and wide. Ghost is floating side to side. Boo, he says very slow. Kitty runs, then stops like no. Ghost just laughs, I'm your friend. Spooky school, no real end. Morning light starts breaking in. Everything feels safe again. Skeleton waves, zombie smiles. Killing, witch says bye for many miles. Ghost disappears in air so thin. Kitty laughs, what a school I've been. Spooky school, but fun all day. Even monsters wanna play. There's Farmer Kitty on the farm today. But something strange in a funny way. Dark Kitty on the farm to eBay. Something strange in a funny way. Not the cows, not the sheep. Kitty is eating everything she sees.
Oh, no, no, no. What is this?
Farmer Kitty gone wild like this. Cow says moo is my head. Kitty comes yummy. Okay. Biff crunch, crunch, crunch. Hey is gone. Cow looks shocked.
Mood is wrong.
Kitty smiles.
Still hungry more.
She eats the bucket, eats the floor. Crunch, 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 crunch.
E-I-E-I-O.
Kitty eats fast. Oh no, no, no. Kid says, Link, my food is here. Kitty shouts,
Oh, yes. Cheer.
eat burgers, apples, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight.
My food is gone.
Kitty burps,
Carry on. Oink, 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 oink.
E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats it all, you know. Rooster shouts, honk, cock-a-doodle-dee. Kitty says,
I'll eat that too.
seeds, grains, crunch, crunch fast. Nothing lasts.
Nothing lasts.
Rooster cries,
What is this?
Kitty says,
Delicious bliss.
cock-a-doodle, E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats fast, don't you know? Sheep says, Papa, grass is mine. Kitty says,
Looks so fine.
pit grass gone, whole field clean. Each sheep says, this is not mean. Kitty rolls,
Yummy, yummy.